Okay, so this is Pavilion Embassy Service Suite Samsung Smart TV. So it's provided to each unit. So I'll just teach you how it's used and what is the function. First of all, to on, you have to have this remote control. Just press the on button. So it will be exactly like this. You have to connect. First of all, connect to the internet. So I'll show you how to connect the internet. You just go to the setting, go to the general, go to network, and then you open the network setting, and it shows you that either you want to connect to the wireless internet or wired connection. Okay, so here it shows that already connected to the internet, so everything functions well. And from here, the bottom, you can see a lot of apps that you can log in and watch your movie. We have a Netflix, Prime Video, Apple TV, YouTube, and you even can search internet from here. So it's very functional and multi-purpose use, and you can go to the apps and download more apps if you want. And this is the source where you can connect to your PC, to your phone, mirror sharing, everything will be here. So it's very functional. You just log in everything, and that is how it goes.